whatever reason you might want to lighten up your skin, get a more fairer skin tone, do it with sense. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Joy, and on this channel I talk about skincare, natural hair care, beauty tips and wellness. So if this sounds like topics you want to keep on hearing, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any other videos coming up on my channel. All right, I share interesting videos, beneficial videos, skincare hacks, skincare secrets. You don't want to miss any of my videos, honestly. So in order not to miss any of my videos, you want to make sure you subscribe to the channel and also turn on your notification bell, right? And if you are new here, please, you can go over to my channel to watch other videos on my channel. Like, they are packed with interesting topics. All right, so in today's video I want to basically just teach you guys how to lighten up your skin safely and naturally. Like, I'm going to share with you guys 7 effective ways or 7 effective methods you can use in lightening up your skin safely and naturally without any form of skin issues or even risking skin cancer. All right, so if this sounds interesting to you, please, you want to make sure you like this video, share with family and friends, comment down below, save this video, and let's get straight into it. Now, I understand that skin lightening is the new thing now. Like, people want to get fairer. Even those ones that are already fair, they want a more fairer skin tone, right? But in this video, I'm not here to judge anybody. All I just want to come here to do is to tell you that you need to do it with sense. Like, whatever reason you might want to lighten up your skin, get a more fairer skin tone, do it with sense. Because honestly, if you don't do it with sense, if you go about it the sharp way, you're going to regret that decision. There are several ways of actually lightening up your skin. There's the sharp method. We also have the chemical method, which most times end up damaging your skin and even risking skin cancer. So if you don't want to damage your skin, you don't want to start walking about with a Coke and Fanta skin, or you don't want to risk skin cancer, then please make sure you watch this video to the end. Like, I'm going to teach you everything you need to do to prevent all of those things and still help you achieve a more fairer skin tone. Now, the first effective way or effective method that you can use to lighten up your skin naturally and safely is through exfoliation. Now, wait. I know you might be wondering, exfoliation as how, alright? Don't worry, let me explain. So when you exfoliate your skin, you're basically just shedding off the dead skin cells on your skin. Now, when you shed off those dead skin cells of your skin tends to reveal a more brighter skin tone. Yes, that is why sometimes if you notice, if you haven't exfoliated for quite a while and then you just try to exfoliate your skin with a very moisturizing exfoliating scrub, what do you notice? Like, there's no how, you just notice that your skin tone keeps getting brighter. Like, that is what happens to me when I go for like a month without scrubbing my skin, and then I resume my scrubbing. I just notice that my skin keeps getting more brighter and brighter, and that is why this method is on my list. If you're exfoliating your skin every time, like 2 to 3 times a week, there's no how your skin will remain darker. Like, your skin tone will keep coming up brighter. All right, now I'm not saying that this exfoliation is going to lighten up your skin once, right? It's just a gradual process. I said earlier that there are sharp methods, but they're going to damage your skin. All right, but in this video I want to share with you guys methods that will not damage your skin, and exfoliation is one of them. So you want to make sure you use products that contains AHA, BHA, like alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids. So this acids basically helps to exfoliate the skin, shed off the skin cells of your skin, helps to treat hyperpigmentation or discoloration on your skin, and give you a more brighter skin tone. Like, guys, don't joke with AHA and BHA, especially glycolic acid, lactic acid and salicylic acid. Guys, don't joke with them. Like, they are the holy grail when it comes to exfoliation and brightening up the skin. Like, most people actually think that all these AHAs and BHAs, like all these exfoliants, are just basically meant to exfoliate your skin. No, girl, they are also going to help brighten up your skin, because they're also going to be treating all your hyperpigmentation and discoloration, thereby revealing a more brighter, smoother and radiant skin. So you want to make sure your body lotions, your shower gels, your body scrubs contain these ingredients. I mean the BHA and AHA. Like, They are very effective in brightening up your skin. All right, make sure they contain this ingredient. I have a video on my channel where I talked about some of the best exfoliating body lotions that would help even out your skin tone and give you a more brighter skin tone. I'm going to leave the video up here and also in my description box, so you can go watch that one after this one for options on which body lotions to get that will help you exfoliate your skin and also help you to brighten up your skin tone. Now I want to point out that BHAs and AHAs are very sensitive to the sun. All right, so when you're using products that contains these two ingredients, there's every possibility of you, not even possibility, like your skin would definitely be sensitive to the sun. All right, so you want to make sure you use this product at night. All right, use them only at night and use your sunscreen during the day. But if you'll be using these products during the day, make sure they are just wash off products. Don't use exfoliating body lotions during the day, please, and please don't use them during the day. You're going to go dark, because that is what you are trying to prevent, right? If you use them during the day, you're going to go dark. You want to make sure you're using them at night, and don't joke with your sunscreen. I'm still going to come back to that later on in this video. Now, the second way to lighten up your skin naturally and safely has to do with ingredients, lightening ingredients. Now, there are so many topical products out there, toner, serums, masks, lotions, creams and the likes that contains lightening ingredients. So please, you want to watch out for all these lightening ingredients. Make sure your lightening product or any product you are using that contains lightening ingredients is not hydroquinone or steroids. Make sure the lightening ingredients or lightening actives in those products are not hydroquinone, steroids or mercury. All right, these three ingredients I just mentioned, they are going to damage your skin. They will not only damage your skin, they'll give you a Coke and Fanta body, like hyperpigmentations everywhere, discolorations everywhere. So you want to avoid products that contains these lightening ingredients. Now wait, there are other lightening ingredients that you can use in lightening up your skin naturally, and I'm going to be talking about them in this video. So I'm going to mention all these natural lightening actives that you want to watch out for when getting your topical products. These ingredients will help lighten up your skin naturally and safely. Though they might be kind of slow, but within 2 to 3 months, you're going to see huge changes, huge results on your skin. So you want to watch out for AHAs, BHAs. I've talked about that before, that they help to brighten up the skin, lighten up the skin naturally by exfoliating your skin, shedding off dead skin cells of your skin to reveal a more brighter skin tone, right? Also watch out for vitamin C, vitamin E, alpha arbutin, niacinamide, kojic acid, glutathione. All right, all these ingredients I just mentioned are natural lightening ingredients that will help to naturally lighten up your skin when used consistently over time. Vitamin C also helps to brighten up the skin, get rid of hyperpigmentation, discoloration on your skin, and just basically help to nourish and repair your skin. Same with vitamin E. Vitamin E oil helps to repair your skin, nourish and moisturize your skin. It helps your skin to stay hydrated, softens the skin and increase cell turnover, thereby revealing a more brighter, smoother and radiant skin tone. Alpha arbutin is another wonderful natural lightening active that will help to brighten up your skin, like it will really help to lighten up your skin. Now, alpha arbutin is gotten from berry fruit extract, all right, and they are the best substitute for hydroquinone. They work the same way like hydroquinone, like they do the same function like hydroquinone. They help to inhibit melanin production, just that alpha arbutin is the safer version of hydroquinone. All right, I hope you get what I'm trying to explain. So that is why this alpha arbutin is very safe and even better than hydroquinone. Like, that means you're going to be lightening up your skin with a natural lightening ingredient instead of hydroquinone. Also, kojic acid. Kojic acid helps to lighten up the skin, exfoliate the skin to reveal a more brighter skin tone and even skin tone. Like, kojic acid is very great when it comes to lightening up the skin. Same with niacinamide. Niacinamide also helps assist in brightening up your skin and also moisturize, hydrate your skin, and also get rid of hyperpigmentation on your skin. So all these ingredients I just mentioned are very safe for the skin, and they are all natural brightening actives, lightening actives that will basically help to lighten up your skin when used consistently over time. The third way you can lighten up your skin is to use skincare product that contains retinol. Guys, retinol is very good when it comes to brightening as well. Same with anti-aging. You see, retinol, it's my all-time favorite because it is holy grail. It has so many benefits. Retinol will brighten up your skin. It will take care of wrinkles and fine lines on your skin. improve collagen production on your skin, which are anti-aging benefits. It will also help to hydrate and moisturize the skin. Also, if you're the type that have discoloration, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, dark spots, retinol is very, very effective in this area. You want to make sure you include your retinol into your skincare routine. This is because most times when you're trying to get a more fairer skin, most people do forget about their blemishes, their hyperpigmentation, acne scars. You also need to get rid of all those spots just to make your skin flawless, to make your skin tone flawless. All right, so that is what this retinol is going to do. This retinol is basically going to help fade out all your discoloration, your hyperpigmentation, acne scars, skin tanning. Retinol will also help prevent skin tanning. So that is why I included this retinol in my list, because retinol brightens up the skin by basically helping to target your dark areas, your dark spots, acne scars and the likes, thereby giving you a more brighter and even toned skin. However, retinol must be used with caution. Like, if you're the type that have not used retinol before and you want to start using retinol, you need to be patient. Like, you need to use it gradually. Like, you need to start gradually, because if you just rush it, you're going to damage your skin. I will not even like this, is because retinol is kind of strong. Like, it's a very strong active that you cannot just misuse. All right, so if you're new to retinol, I would advise you start gradually. So first of all, you need to start with a lower percentage of retinol, then you use it 1 or 2 times a week. All right, just use it 1 or 2 times a week till your skin gets used to that retinol. All right, so once your skin has gotten used to that retinol, then you can now start, you can increase your usage to like 3-4 times a week. Now, the fourth way you can lighten up your skin safely and naturally is sun protection. Guys, you need to protect your skin from the sun. Majority of this skin darkening, hyperpigmentation, skin tanning, all of these things, most of the time they are caused by sun. They are caused by overexposure to the sun. I will not even lie. So that is why you need to protect your skin from the sun. I noticed that before I started using sunscreen, my face used to be very darker than my body. All right, but when I started using sunscreen, like, it literally changed my face. Like, my face just keeps getting brighter, and that is because the sunscreen is shielding my face from the sun. That was when I realized the effect of the sun on the skin. Guys, make sure you are protecting your skin. Get a very good sunscreen from SPF 30 and above, but I would really advise SPF 50 actually, but the standard one should be SPF 30. So just get a very good sunscreen, a broad spectrum sunscreen that would protect your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. All right, and apart from sunscreens, you want to make sure you wear covered clothes, wear clothes that will cover your skin very well. And if you don't have business outside, please just stay indoor. Stop walking under the sun. It's like you guys don't know the effect of the sun on our skin. The sun will literally darken your skin, make you go dark. Like, you will not even love your skin tone, your skin color. All right, and all this other method I taught you guys earlier, I talked about earlier, they are only going to be effective when you protect your skin from the sun. All right, that's why most times you use a skincare product and you'll be like, this product is not working. It is because the sun is also eating your skin. So once the sun keeps beating you, there's no how that skincare product is going to work. All right, so all this other method I'm talking about will not even work if you're not protecting your skin from the sun. So get a broad spectrum sunscreen that provides broad spectrum protection from the UVA and UVB rays, and thank me later, because you're going to see the difference on your skin. In fact, it might actually be because you're not protecting your skin from the sun, that is why you're going darker. Like, that is why you're not really seeing the brightness of your skin, the radiance of your skin. Just start using sunscreen, start protecting your skin from the sun, stop wearing strapless, sleeveless and the likes, and you see the difference on your skin. That is where you're going to see the damaging effect of the sun on our skin. Another way you can safely and naturally lighten up your skin is to eat healthy. Yes, we are what we eat. All right, what you take in will also reflect on your skin. So that is why you need to eat healthy. Enough of all this junk food. All right, when I said you need to eat healthy, I mean you need to take in lots of antioxidants, like foods rich in antioxidants. This is because free radicals tends to stimulate overproduction of melanin on our skin. So that is why we need to consume foods that are rich in antioxidants that will help to combat those free radicals. So some of the antioxidants ingredients or antioxidant vitamins you want to watch out for in your food, in your diet, your meals are beta carotene, vitamin E, vitamin C, and selenium. Now, foods that are rich in all these vitamins I just mentioned are berries like strawberries, blueberries. They are very rich in antioxidants. Also citrus like your orange, your lemon, they are rich in antioxidants. Even vegetables, spinach, dark vegetables, they are very effective. They are very good antioxidant meals that will help to combat free radicals that may be producing excess melanin on your skin. In fact, you can also take skin supplements that contains these antioxidants, all right? Like you can take skin supplements that contains carotenoid, which is derived from lycopene and vitamin C. Like these two potent antioxidants, lycopene and vitamin C, are very effective in combating free radicals on your skin, thereby revealing a more brighter skin tone. So when next you want to get your skin supplement, you might want to check out for all these vitamins, all these ingredients I just mentioned. They will be very good in helping you brighten up, lighten up your skin once you're consistent with them. Another thing you want to do to lighten up your skin safely and naturally is to include the dry brushing method into your skincare routine. Like this is basically you just using a dry brush, like a brush to scrub your skin while dry. So that means this is what you want to do first when you get into your bedroom. Like you basically just take your brush. I'm going to leave the picture of the brush up here. So you take your brush and just start scrubbing your skin with it, all right? It's not going to harm your skin, all right? Just don't worry, it's not going to harm your skin at all. So you just scrub it. Like this is one hack. Even when you're using your exfoliating scrub on a dry skin, you're going to really see the effect on your skin. Like nowadays, I prefer to scrub on dry skin than on wet skin. This is because I feel like scrubbing on dry skin will really get this dead skin cells off your skin. Like they will really help you shed off your skin and then reveal a more brighter skin tone. So you just try including this dry brushing into your skincare routine and come back to give me the results. All right, if you've tried this dry brushing too before, please let me know in the comment section your review about this dry brushing. Like it is very effective. So on days you're not using your exfoliating scrub, so you can just go over and use this brush to scrub off your skin, scrub off those dead skin cells off your skin. Also, if you just ran out of your exfoliating scrub, you can even use this brush, like this dry brushing method, to like substitute the exfoliating scrub till you're able to get another one. And lastly, you want to make sure you include moisturizing products into your skincare routine. Moisturizing lotions, moisturizing body oils. Guys, you need moisture on your skin if you really want your fair skin to make sense, to glow, really look nice. All right, you need moisture on your skin, hydration. So you just don't want to keep looking for product that contains all these lightening ingredients. Also look for products that are moisturizing, that are hydrating, that will deeply hydrate your skin and make your skin, your fair skin, look nourished, hydrated, moisturized. All right, you know that kind of fair skin that even people will be like, wow, like it's just going to keep shining. Or like fair skins that are very dry, flaky and all, it's not attractive at all, right? So just include moisturizing lotions, moisturizing body oils. Body oils are also very important, so include this into your skincare routine as well, and you're definitely going to see the results on your skin. Just try out all this method I mentioned in this video and you're going to see huge changes on your skin. It's not a must you use a bleaching cream for you to brighten up your skin. I keep preaching that on this channel. It is not a must for you to use an hydroquinone product, steroids to lighten up your skin. There are safer ways you can lighten up your skin, and these methods I just listed are some of the very safe methods you can use in lightening up your skin. Though they are not sharp results, you're not going to see results in a month. You're not going to see results in 7 days, you're not going to see results in a month, but from 2-3 months, yes, you're going to definitely see huge changes on your skin. And they are beneficial because you're not going to be damaging your skin, you're not going to risk skin cancer. All right, so that is why you need to lighten with sense, lightening your skin safely if at all you want to lighten up your skin. All right, so that will be all, guys. Let me know what you feel about this video in the comment section. Also, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, please. Just hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, if this video was helpful, please give a huge thumbs up and liking this video. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.